To check your account balance on Headway 2026, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Headway app. Launch the Headway app on your device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log in. If you have forgotten your credentials, use the recovery options available. Step 3. Navigate to Account section. Once logged in, look for the Account or Profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Select Balance option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use iSRUC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Review your balance. Your account balance will be displayed on the screen. Take note of the amount and any additional details provided regarding your account status. Now you can easily check your account balance on Headway 2026 whenever needed.